So to do our gable walls here on the end, I'm going to shift middle mouse button over to this side here. We can see right through there. So this is a really easy fix because with walls, you can take the wall and you can use this attach top base. Okay, the opposite is to detach. To attach top base, we'll take a wall and either extend it up or down to another wall, another roof, or another floor. So walls, this is important, can be attached from the top going up or from the bottom going down to other walls, a roof, or a floor. So this is a kind of a powerful tool as long as it can extend to it. You see it's in line with it there? So I can pick on this wall and say attach the top, okay, to this roof. Click, and it's done. Okay, I'm going to undo that. Let's just detach it instead. Pick this wall, hover over the edge. You have to hover over the edge here. Starting to get busy. Use your tab button to cycle between objects. Tab, 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 click. Detach from here. That detaches it. Let's reattach the top, which is the default, to here. That was easy. Okay. This one's going to be a little bit different. In this one, we're going to take this wall and bring it over to here first. So watch. I'm going to go to my second floor. I'm actually going to take this wall and I'm going to pull it all the way over using my shift key to keep it nice and straight. Boom. Click out. Okay. So I've taken that. Oh, Revit's asking me to save, so I'll say yes. Go to my 3D view. I could take that, extend it over, and then I could technically go in here and say attach to here. And that would give me that gable, but then I would have to have, this has a wall here. And in fact, in my floor plan, there is no wall here at all. Okay, the wall kind of goes like this, up and over, and then around. So this wall in here really doesn't exist. It's all open. Okay, so that we have to fix. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to leave it extended to where it is, but what we're going to do is click on here, we're going to detach it from here. Now I'm going to introduce something called Edit Wall Profile. If you pick a wall, there's another option in here saying Edit Profile. Click. It goes into sketch mode. Okay, what you can do then is, believe it or not, you can draw things and change the shape of this wall. Okay, escape, escape, delete, draw a new line work, and you can change the shape of the wall. As long as it's a closed polygon and your other closed polygons are in there, okay, you can finish and you can create a wall that looks like that. So what we need to do is do something like that. Okay, we have to edit the profile, not like this, but clicking on here, if you say reset profile, it clears it. If you say edit profile, it goes back in and lets you edit this again. You can, do whatever you want with this. And then finish and you're back in here. Okay, there's your funny looking wall. So what we're going to do is pick on here and say reset the profile. Okay, and now what we want to do is create a section through here looking at this to redraw this. Watch how we do this. We're going to go to the second floor. We want a good view. I want to create a new section right along here. So I'm going to pick my section bubble here, or again, if you haven't added it to your quick access toolbar, go in here, add it, or click on it here, start your section tool. I want a section going right across here using my shift key. Notice it's going the wrong way. Click. Not a problem, because if you put it going the wrong way, there's a little flip arrow, flips it the other way, and I can pull this back to there. So that's where my section's going to be. Double click. Now I can take my crop region, pull that up so I can see more. I can take my grid lines, pull them up. Okay. So there's my section, and there's that wall right there. Okay, and then that's the floor in front. So I'm going to click on that wall and say Edit Profile. I'm going to take the top one and delete it. Okay, now I'm going to use the Pick Line Work tool. Lets me pick existing geometry as my line work. So watch, pick lines, and I can go pick, 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 pick. And now I'm going to use my fillet or trim command. Trim this guy with this guy, this guy with this guy, this guy here, guy with this guy. Escape, escape, and this piece of line I'm going to delete. So see what I've got there? Basically, big closed polygon. Now you'll notice this is kind of centered on here. That's okay. You can leave that there because it's going to end up bumping itself out to there anyway because it's controlled by the end of the line. Okay, this one's going to be good there, more or less. You can fine tune this as much as you want. And let's finish it from a 3D view. There's our 3D view. Okay, it was nice to draw it in the section view. Finish, click out. Okay, and there's the beginning of that gable wall, and we'd have to put a little truss in there. So there's our two gable ends, one using the attach top and one using the edit profile option.